Hi guys, it's Janine from the Vision Division. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up this 32-inch HP monitor. If you want to learn some interesting facts about this monitor, stay tuned until the end. These are the power cords. There are 2 pieces. This is the first part of the stand. And this is the second. This is the DisplayPort to DisplayPort wire. It's actually very easy to assemble this stand and connect the stand to the monitor. You just have to make sure that there is enough space for you to hang the stand properly so you can attach it to the monitor. This monitor has this really nice tilt feature, which I really like. That's one of the things that I was looking for in a monitor. The power supply cord comes in 2 pieces. There's the regular long piece and there's a piece with the big power supply. So you plug in the power supply piece into the monitor and then the long piece into the big power supply box. And now I'm plugging in the DisplayPort wire. When I went to plug in the DisplayPort into my computer, that's when I realized my computer does not have a DisplayPort. So I had to get a DisplayPort to HDMI wire for my son. An oversight on my part. Now I'm replacing the wire. Here is the power button. I had to look for it. I didn't know where it was. So, another oversight on my part. this monitor does not have any speakers. So I had to borrow some speakers for my son. Gonna see if the speakers work now. And that's it, everyone. That is the monitor and the little setup that I had to do. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe if you're new to this channel, and leave a comment to let me know what you think about this monitor. Again, thank you for watching. Be safe, everyone. Bye-bye.